how to add product reviews on Shopify step by step. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, if you want to add reviews to your products on Shopify, you can do this with a simple application called Judge Me. Judge Me is a third party app that allows you to create an amazing product widget. And I'll also show you guys a quick tip on how you can import reviews from AliExpress onto your store as well. So, let's get started. Now, for this, you want to log onto your Shopify dashboard. Then you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings, click on Apps and Sales Channels on the bottom left, and then open up the Shopify App Store. Once you open up the Shopify App Store, you're going to search for Judge Me. Judge Me is the name of the application, and you will see two applications. First is the Judge Me product reviews, and then you have Judge Me AliExpress reviews. First, you want to download the Judge Me product reviews application. Then click on Install over here. Once you click on Install, this will open up a new tab from where you're going to complete the installation of the application. Click on Install over here to complete the installation, and then we can set up our review widget. Keep in mind that by default, Shopify does not have a review widget, so you will have to use another application to create one. Now over here, you're just going to click on Start Setup. And once you click on Start Setup, you're going to click on Enable App Embed. This will open up a new tab, and from the top left, you will see that the Judge Me App Embed is going to be enabled onto your store. You just have to click on Save on the top right. And once you do that, you're going to go back and then click on Continue. Then you're going to click on Install Review Widget. And once you click on Install Review Widget, this will install the review widget onto your Shopify store. So you will see again on the top left, it is going to enable the review widget. And you guys can see right under my product, this is adding the review widget. Now we can customize this later on as well, but for now, you can just click on Save. It is not saved. It should be saved. So I'm going to go on ahead, ensure that everything is saved, and I'm just going to click on Continue, and I'm just going to proceed. Then you can install the star ratings as well, and I'm just going to do that as well. In the new tab, our star ratings will be added. Now, star ratings are added at the bottom of the product information. So you're going to hold it from the left, and then you can move it right under the title or the price of the product. This is because you want the star ratings to be right at the front of your product info, and it's just easier to do it like so. Then click on Save on the top right. Once you've completed that, just click on Continue over here. And I'm just going to proceed like so. And then after that, you can set up the star color. Now I want to use a simple yellow color like this. And I want it to be a bit reddish yellow. That's all right. And once I've done that, I can click on Continue. And then after that, we have automatic review requests. Now, what automatic review request does is that it sends review request emails for any of the new orders that you receive automatically. You just have to set up the duration. So once a product is ordered by a customer, when do you want them to get a request for a review? You can set this up for domestic as well as international orders. So let's say I want to ask for reviews 10 days after. 10 days after they receive their order, and for international products, I want it to be 14 days after. Click on Finish over here, and once you click on Finish, your review widget is now installed. I'm going to pin Judge Me to my navigation on the left to make it easier for me to explore the application. Now I'm just going to click on Explore Judge Me, and then I'm going to click on Widgets over here, and you will see all the different types of review widgets. Now, I like to customize this a little, so I'm going to click on Online Store on the left, then I'm going to click on Customize. Once I click on Customize, from the top, I'm going to open up a product, like so. And once I open up a product like so, I'm doing my eyeshadows over here. So you guys will see I have different product templates that are applied to different products, but I'm just going to add the review widget to my default product template. So over here, I'm going to click on Add Section, then click on Application, and you will see the type of review widgets that JudgeMe has to offer. You're going to add the standard review widget over here, and this will be added. Now, this is going to be empty until you have reviews, so just add this and then click on Save. For your own preview, it does display some reviews that are sample reviews. Once you've done that, you're going to click on Add Block under the product information, click on Applications, and then over here, you're going to select Star Ratings, and you will see some stars appear on the right side. Hold this and move it towards the top, and now you have the star ratings displayed. And now you can click on Save. Now that you have your product review widgets, you can also include them on your home page by going into Home Page over here. You can click on Add Section, and then you can add things like a review carousel, section for metals, as well as a review text. I'm going to add a carousel over here, and you can select on the review carousel and choose the sizing you want to use for it as well. Click on Save over here, and just like that, your review widgets are now installed. Now, when you have a brand new store, it's really difficult to get reviews into your store. And if you're doing drop shipping, then you have the option to import your reviews from AliExpress. So if the products that you are selling are also available on AliExpress, you can take the reviews that are present on AliExpress and import them onto your store as well. To do that, open up your Shopify app store once more, and then you're just going to search for Judge Me like you previously did. Install the Judge Me AliExpress Reviews application from here. So just click on Install, and once you click on Install, you are now going to have the ability to import any review from AliExpress. However, if your products are not present on AliExpress, obviously that is going to make it impossible for you to generate honest and accurate reviews. But as an example, I'll show you guys how to do this. And you can do this for any of your products. Now, I have this cool eyeshadow that I have, and I'm just going to go onto AliExpress and I'm just going to search for eyeshadow. And I'll just try to find something that is similar. And I don't want, my reviews to be false, so I don't recommend that you add reviews of a different product onto your Shopify store. But I'm just going to take a product that has good reviews. So I'll just have to filter those out. I'll just search for eyeshadow palettes, and then I'll just take this one over here, and I'm going to scroll to the reviews to see what they say. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice. So once I do that, I can just copy the URL of this product, and then I'm going to go back into Shopify. I will paste in the AliExpress URL onto the Shopify product, and then click on import. Then I can choose the number of reviews I want to import. Let's say I want it to be 5. Then I can open up the advanced settings, the minimum word count, the translations if the reviews are in a different language. And once I do that, I can also choose to remove the picture reviews. You can choose if you want pictures or not. And then you can click on import reviews over here, and then your reviews will be imported. Keep in mind that if you are importing reviews from a different product on to yours on Shopify, it's going to not look nice. So ensure that either your dropshipping product or the reviews for that product are very similar to what the reviews for your product will be. If they are specifying the product information, then it's going to look bad. So let's say I received it. Thank you very much. Very cute, like the photo, just a little smaller than I imagined, but it's cute. So this can easily be applied to my Shopify product as well, but a review like this where they have posted the pictures is not going to be applicable. So just keep that in mind. And once it has imported the reviews, you will find it under the imported reviews tab over here. And it's going to take a couple of seconds to completely import the reviews. You can preview this in your online store as well. So you guys can see the reviews have been imported, and these are the picture ones. So what you can do is that once they have been imported, you can go back into your Shopify dashboard. And from your Shopify dashboard, you're going to go into the AliExpress reviews application, go into import reviews. Once you go into imported reviews, you are going to see the ones that have been imported, and you can just remove the ones that have pictures or specifiers that the product is different. So I can just remove this one and this one. Yeah, and just like that, you can customize your product reviews on Shopify. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.